Today we're going to be talking about symmetry and lines of symmetry. Let's begin. Let's start with the butterfly. So in a butterfly we have one line of symmetry. This is how you make one line of symmetry. Always start with the top and then cut it like this. You could not cut it a horizontal way because if you try to cut it like this, it will not be equal. It's not equal because look at these two. And this is smaller than this, but this is bigger than this. And they will not be equal, so that's why a butterfly has one line of symmetry. So a monkey has one line of symmetry because when you cut it, the two sides are equal pattern. So you can see they're both are equal pattern. And then the next one we're going to be doing is a human. So in a human, like us, we have one line of symmetry because if we're comparing this side and this side will be equal. And when you are cutting in the in symmetry, make sure you cut it like right in the middle, okay? So both the patterns match. So next one is gonna be is a ladybug. Has one line of symmetry because when we cut it, these two patterns are equal. These two patterns, they match with each other. If you cut a ladybug in a horizontal way, like this way, it will not match because you look closely. In here, when you're trying to cut it like right here, look at this part and look at this part. This part will be way bigger than this part. So that's why a ladybug is only one line of symmetry. So a monkey, why can't you cut it horizontal way? Because when you cut it, the side will, like the mouth will be bigger like than this face. And the patterns do not match. But if we want to cut it into two parts of symmetry, we need to make these two patterns to match. Like a star. The next is gonna be is a flower. A flower has four lines of symmetry. So it has one like this. The other one is like this, and the other line will be like going like this. The other line goes in the diagonal side, and also the other one right here will also go on the diagonal side. I'll also draw it. So first, and this is equal to 4 lines of symmetry. Next thing we're going to be doing is a circle. A circle can have multiple lines of symmetry. Let me draw and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It has 8 lines of symmetry. A triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. You can see 1, 2, and 3. A triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Let's see how much symmetry a square and rectangle has. So a square will have 4 lines of symmetry, and a rectangle will be different, and a rectangle will only have 2 lines of symmetry because all sides are not equal. Star has 5 lines of symmetry. It's not clear, but it actually has 5 lines of symmetry. If you fold them, the 5 different sides will be equal. Next is gonna be a moon. A moon only has 1 line of symmetry because when we look at this, 1 line of symmetry. Because when you cut the moon, this and this side will be equal. Some shapes have multiple lines of symmetry and other shapes have 1 line of symmetry. So symmetry is basically when you cut it, both sides should be equal.